I am fearfully and wonderfully made. I will not be discouraged, for the Lord is my healer and sustainer. God's strength is made perfect in my weakness. Your love flows through me, bringing restoration to every part of my body. Jesus, you were pierced for my transgressions, crushed for my iniquities, and by your stripes I am healed. Thank you for taking all my sicknesses and diseases on the cross. I plead the blood of Jesus over every cell in my body. I am a temple of the Holy Spirit, and your presence brings healing and wholeness to my body and soul. I am renewed with strength and health. Let there be light in my body. I praise you, Lord, and forget not all your benefits. You forgive all my sins and heal all my diseases. Heal me, Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved, for you are the one I praise. By your wounds I have been healed. In Jesus Christ's name.